What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question, is Google Play Store on a Roku TV or a Roku Smart TV? And just so you know, this is actually part of our question and answer session where we basically answer questions about smart TVs generally. So if you have any question, you can go drop it on the comment section and we're definitely going to answer you in the comment section. Or if it is a question that a lot of people are asking, then we're just going to make a video just like this one. Now let's go into today's question. Is Google Play Store on a Roku TV? Now Roku TVs actually have their own operating system that is known as the Roku OS, and basically this Roku OS has its own app store that allows you to download and install apps from the Roku TV. There are lots of categories of apps you can actually download. There are music apps, there are games apps, there are streaming apps. You can get so many apps from the Roku OS app store, but you can't actually get the Google Play Store to run on your Roku TV. And the reason is basically because you definitely need an Android operating system for you to be able to run Google Play Store or any Android app or APK on your Roku TV, and that is what Roku TVs does not have. However, there is actually a workaround for you to be able to get the Google Play Store on your Roku TV, and that is basically to get Android TV sticks and boxes and then just connect them to your TV. Again, this is not a solution per se because you're basically using the Google Play Store from an Android device. These devices are very cheap and I actually have some of them on the studio with me. For instance, over here I have the Xiaomi TV box. This is actually the second gen of the Xiaomi TV box. It's a very cheap device and it has Google TV, which is the latest version of an Android operating system TV. Over here I also have the Google Chromecast, which is another interesting device. Xiaomi TV Stick. There is also the Fire TV Stick. Once you go ahead to connect any of these devices to your Roku TV, you can just access the Google Play Store and then just download any app you want from the Google Play Store into your Roku TV without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.